how to create a new Roblox account. So let's get started. Basically, first open the Roblox website or open the Roblox app on your device. So here we are creating a new account through a app. So open the Roblox app on your mobile device. So after you open, you will get to see a sign up or login option available on your screen. Simply tap on the sign up option since we are creating a new account. After you tap on the sign up option, fill in the required information including your age, desired username, password, and optionally your parents' email if you are under 13 years old. So here, after you fill up your age, username, and password, you will get to see the gender option. Choose your male or female gender and continue with the process. So after you continue, you have successfully logged into your Roblox account, as you can see. So guys, by following these steps, you can create a new account in Roblox in a very simple and easy way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.